Wednesday the 25th of October, 9 a.m. The moment has finally arrived. BAWAG Group goes public. At nearly €2 billion, this historic IPO makes the Vienna Stock Exchange the focus of attention of the financial world, in Austria and worldwide. BAWAG Group's stocks started immediately in the ATX, being added to the leading Austrian index on the second day of trading. To great applause, the CEOs of BAWAG Group and the Vienna Stock Exchange ring the opening bell to mark the first listing. With the largest IPO in its history, the Vienna Stock Exchange is pleased about how the current year has turned out.
The Vienna Börse is performing not that bad. We see an absolute record number of trades on our exchange. We see a record year in the ATX. The ATX is up by over 30% this year only. And of course, this is a showcase for the international market. Well, it's a perfect fit. BAWAG maintains a broad international investor basis, and that is a perfect fit with this exchange as the main order stream that arrives on this exchange. 80% of the order flow arrives from abroad. So again, this is a perfect match.
BAWAG Group's management is happy with the successful IPO in Vienna and highly satisfied with the collaboration with the Vienna Stock Exchange in the weeks and months before the IPO.
Ausgezeichnet geht's, ja. Es war ein langer Weg. Wir sind endlich im Ziel angekommen, sind sehr glücklich. Ja. Ich glaube, es ist ein großer Tag für die BAWAG, aber auch für die Wiener Börse. Wir sind wirklich sehr, sehr stolz und glücklich, ja, dass wir das zusammen geschafft haben.
This is a momentous day for BAWAG, for the Vienna Stock Exchange, obviously for you guys, for the city of Vienna, for Austria as a country. This is the largest IPO in the history of Austria. For us personally, as a bank, for me personally as an individual, this has been a long journey. And BAWAG has an incredibly rich history of over 130 years. And this is really the culmination of a lot of the efforts in the work of the tremendous team that we have at BAWAG. And people are incredibly proud. It was a lot of work. We worked incredibly well with the Vienna Stock Exchange. Christoph and the entire team was incredible.
For the new issuer, there had never been a doubt that the Vienna Stock Exchange was to be their preferred partner. Vienna had been chosen as listing venue right from the start, and this IPO could also trigger a wave of further public offerings here.
Also für uns war das absolut klar. Wir sind eigentlich angestammte eine Wiener Bank. Ja. Wir haben nie was anderes überlegt. Das ist unsere Homebase, wie wir sagen, das ist unsere Heimat, und deswegen war es absolut klar, dass wir die Wiener Börse als Listingplatz nehmen werden. Ja. Ich würde mir wünschen, dass auch weitere Emittenten dazukommen. Ja. Ich glaube, das ist jetzt einmal guter Schwung für die Wiener Börse und auch für den Standort, und wir hoffen, dass da weitere Beispiele in Zukunft auch folgen werden.
The Vienna Stock Exchange also sees potential for the BAWAG IPO boosting further public offerings in Austria.
Today's issue is among the top 10 issues of this year. It is the third largest issue that we have seen in Europe so far this year. And concerning the bank shares, it is the largest IPO since the year 2000 in the German-speaking world. So this is a fantastic event that serves as a kind of magnet for new issues too.